Good morning, everyone. From Check Out the Rileys. We're sitting on the back deck here and we're trying to enjoy some coffee and biscuits, aka crackers. Just wanted to show kind of what we're dealing with here. Right down there's the creek or whatever that we had to endure all evening, all night. I sat out here quite a bit last night by myself, just enjoying. Here comes a maybe not. Yeah, here it comes. One of their vehicles coming up the road, but it's very rare that you hear anybody coming around. But as you see, we're on the balcony here. Good morning, Doroteo. How did you sleep? Doroteo got warm last night and was running a little bit of a temperature. But it feels pretty awesome here, right, babe?
And maybe we in the jungle.
It's like the jungle, huh? Did you see any bears?
The bears. They're far away.
Yeah, there's no bears here, baby.
The bears.
Yeah, just me.
And the bamboos.
You like the bamboo?
And
These are huge, aren't they? Yeah. Yeah. So good.
Or even taste like.
We are enjoying our stay here at Eden. And we had a good night for the most part. Other than Doroteo getting a little warm, we were all good. Well, I'm not sure exactly what all we're doing today, but
And we in the Philippines.
yeah. But come back and check us out. And always subscribe and share and like this. Oh,
Video.
you tell them.
Like the video.
All right.